What's up, guys? I'm back with another video today, and today it is cold as hell outside, man. I'm telling you, it is cold outside today. I'm thinking it's about 40 degrees outside, and your boy is cold as hell. Well, I'm at the not the gas station, I'm at the car wash right now because I need to wash my car. And my car is like freaking dirty. So I had to pick up some car wash shit. Got some wheel cleaner. Because my wheels are dirty as hell. Let me show you. Look at those wheels. Guys, I'm telling you, it is cold as I don't know what out here. It's cold, bro. Woo. Jesus, cold. Oh, God. And I gotta pee. So bad. Come on. What the hell? I can't open this. Look. What the hell? I'm gonna get back in the car, guys. It's cold as I don't know what out here. Jesus. Oh my God. Alright. I'm gonna try my 5th attempt at opening this up. Jesus, what the fuck? I can't open it. I don't got my tripod with me, so it's kind of, I'm really holding it with my hand. Yo, I can't open this to save my life. Let me see if I can set y'all up somewhere. Of course. What the kind of shit is this? Ah, God, I did it! I did it! I did it. Alright, so I'm gonna go out here and I'm gonna spray these tires down because they are filthy. Alright, 3 more tires to go. 3 more tires to go. And like I said before, it is cold as hell out here. Yo, I don't want to use too much of this because this shit costs $7. That's right, $7, y'all. $7 fucking dollars. Believe me when I say it is cold out here. Like cold as a motherfucker. Yo, I've been doing this YouTube thing for a couple of for like a month or 2, and nobody's subscribing. So fuck you and fuck you and fuck you and fuck you. Oh, I got subscribers. I posted a video days ago. I only got like 2 views. 2 fucking views. It's hard. It's hard out here for your boy. I'm telling you, man. Trying to do some good content, do some mukbangs for y'all, washing my truck for y'all. Nobody wanna subscribe. Nobody wanna push that like button. So fuck you. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the rest of these tires and I'll come back because my hands are starting to freeze. I'm gonna hit the rest of these tires and I'll be back with the rest of the wash. Guys, I'm back. Alright, so I got paid $6 to start the machine. Well actually, yeah, it is $6. So like I told you before, I wasn't expecting to come wash my truck today, so I didn't bring my tripod. And I'm only doing shit with one hand, which makes it very difficult to do. I'm a $5 for. I had a $5 bill. Oh God. Like I said, it is cold as hell outside. It's cold as shit. Jesus. Alright. What's this anyway? Get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Alright guys. Yeah. One more dollar to go. One more. Like I said, the 500th time. It's cold. Alright guys. So I'ma select the wheel and tire cleaner. And that'll come out of that one. See? Woo! Alright guys, let me just clean these wheels. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I soaked the whole truck down. It's all soaked. Alright. Trying to hurry up because I got like 4 minutes left. So we will do, let's do a pre-soak. I'm gonna do a pre-soak. Guys, did I mention how cold it was out here? Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse. We're gonna do the rinse one now so we can hurry up, run out of time. So rinse, high pressure rinse. Yo, my hands are freezing, bro. They're freezing. Jesus. And that's it, guys. My hands are like cold as ice right now. Oh, God. Like seriously, guys, my hands are whoa. Woo. No. God damn. Oh. It was already cold, guys. Imagine your hands getting wet and then had to spray, and it's like, I swear to God, it's like 30 degrees outside right now. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to sit in my truck for a minute. I gotta warm up. Woo! Jesus! Like, yo, it's cold. Alright, guys. So what I gotta do now, I'm gonna let my hands warm up for a little bit longer because they feel like, what's the word? They feel like fucking bricks, like ice cubes, like ice cube bricks. They so cold. I knew I should have bought some gloves. I was just at AutoZone and I told myself, I said, self, buy some gloves because it's going to be cold as shit when you're out there washing your car. And what I say, what I got to be cheap. I hate spending money on shit that I really don't need, but need because I'm cheap. I'm just not going to buy the shit. And that's my fault. Being a cheap ass. And now my hands freezing. So that's my fault. Alright, so I'm gonna get out the truck I'm gonna show y'all the truck while it's wet, and then I'll show y'all after how it is after I finish drying it off. See, it's a wet truck. See, that's how it is, wet. Then I'll come back later and I'll show y'all how it is when I finish drying it off real quick. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I am finally done. Like I said, I am finally done. I hit the wheels up. Look at the wheels. Like I said, I do not play when it comes to cleaning my car. I do not play. So if you like this video and would like to see more of me washing the car, but with more detail, just hit me up in the comment section and let me know. Till next time, I will see you later.